Capital versus capital. These two terms are often confused due to their similar pronunciation and spelling. Let's take a closer look. The word capital is used to refer to a capital letter, a city that serves as a center of government, and also wealth in the form of money or property. For example, in American schools, the capital letter A means your work was at least 90% correct. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. The business did not have enough capital to buy the new building. Capital, spelled with an O on the other hand, refers to the actual Capitol buildings in Washington, D.C. and in each U.S. state. The United States Capitol building is located in Washington, D.C. Next time, think about whether you are referring to a letter, wealth, a city, or a Capitol building. That's it for today. See you next time.